Hey guys, Joe here from Clean Getaway Car Detailing. Well, today I really want to talk about why would you coat a vinyl wrap? It's a really good question. We get asked that a lot by people when they want to protect their wrap that they have on like a business car, whether it's signage for their business, or maybe they've done a complete color change or some kind of enhancement by wrapping certain panels on their car. So vinyl is obviously something that costs a bit of money to get installed on your car. It's not a cheap upgrade to get done. And just like anything, it's really worth protecting your investment when it comes to automotive vehicles. And so just like what we're doing right now on our Tesla Model 3, we fully wrapped this whole car, just except the front end, which we will be installing paint protection film, and that will be for another video. But for all this end here, we have got a pearlescent vinyl wrap, which really pops in the sun. But one thing's for sure is vinyl, it has a little bit of like a porous surface. And so it really does not like it when it's left to be getting dirty. It water spots easily, it goes a bit dull when it's not maintained, it doesn't like being out in the sun. Similar attributes to clear coat on your car, which is why we want to protect our car. We'll get it ceramic coated or put a graphene coating on it or something like that. And so that's why when it comes to protecting your vinyl wrap, getting a coating on your vinyl wrap really does make a huge difference in the long-term lifespan of your wrap. So does it last forever? No. There's no coating that will last a super long time, and I'm talking maybe like on a vinyl wrap, a coating will be actively protecting it for probably maybe 2 to 4 years, depending on how the car is maintained. But if it's out in the sun a lot and you have a lot of horizontal panels that have been wrapped, then a coating will only do so much. But it's so worth it because the vinyl really cops it from the UV, from the infrared, and that's what the coating will really help do. It'll really help reflect that light off it and just create like an extra layer of defense on the vinyl wrap, which is why we really want to do it on this, because not only will it help keep the shine and the clarity and like the color in the vinyl, it's also going to make it so much easier to keep clean. Nothing worse than trying to clean something off your vinyl wrap, and because it's stuck on there quite like it's solidified and it's stuck on there really well, you start to rub it and then all of a sudden you realize you've scratched your vinyl, and that is the worst thing because the only way to fix it is generally replacing it. Very rarely you can remove it by using heat if it's a self-healing film. So coating a car, or coating your vinyl wrap I should say, makes it so much easier to maintain it, which then helps reduces any other issues that could be caused along the way of lack of maintenance. So we're going to coat our Tesla here with the AtraPro Nano Graphene coating. It's a graphene coating that's designed for paint, but it goes on all types of surfaces, which is really good, and we'll show you how awesome the water beading and the slickness is when we apply it to our vinyl wrap. Could we use a coating that's designed only for vinyl wraps in like PPF? Yes, but arguably we've used them a lot and over the years, and honestly we don't really see like a really good reason to use them. Sometimes we think maybe it's just a bit of marketing so that you buy more products. Call me a conspiracy theorist or whatever, but sometimes it's a bit like that. There's too many products to get, where we find that using a good quality ceramic coating or a really good quality graphene coating, they work just as good as like a vinyl wrap coating. And all our testing has proved that to us over and over again. So we think it saves the customer money and also saves us money as a business as well. And we're always wanting to deliver the best quality results. So that's why you'd get your wrap coated. You want to protect it, you want to preserve it with the coating so that you can get the best and longest lifespan out of your investment when you get your car wrapped, just like we will. So make sure you check it out.